Wow, man. I'm all right, man. I want to be an athlete again, a real athlete.
Oh man, let's get started. How's your knee pain right now?
It doesn't like have pain like without doing anything. So it only when I like work out and I press it. Yeah, my knee pain is moderate. It's just that it's nowhere near. I used to could dunk so easy off of one step, like a two-hand dunk. And over the past maybe like 10 years, I still could dunk maybe one hand here and there, but I haven't a two-hand dunk in 10 years, and I haven't been explosive like I used to be. But compared to an average person, I'm still like decent. You know, I could still probably grab the hands right now, but that's the hardest jumping, the hardest compared to when I could dunk two hands easy.
Yeah.
So it's been a big pain in my ass, to be honest with you.
So on a scale 1 to 10, how much pain you have after, let's say, after you play a basketball game?
I can't even really hoop like now. It's too much. My knee.
Too much knee pain. All right. How do you feel?
Do I put it down or no?
Put in the jar.
No.
Yeah, put your foot down. Yeah, you can put it down now. Okay. Oh. How do you feel?
It burned so bad. My right glute was burning so bad.
On a scale 1 to 10, how much sensation?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. Now we're going to switch.
Shit. Damn, that shit burned.
Okay. What is the scale on a level 1 to 10? Where do you feel the burn?
It's like a 12 on my left glute. Sheesh.
It's a 12. And right now it's getting very solid, right?
Yeah, man.
All right. Get ready and start. Yeah, try your best. You're not comparing to anybody. You're just doing yourself. Reach to the limit of your capability. That's all I ask for. Okay, keep back attention to your feet, okay? All right, hold that position. That's your range, right?
Probably right here.
Okay, hold back attention to your feet. Feeling some tension, right?
Yeah.
Breathe slowly. Breathe slowly. Inhale and exhale.
I felt in my glute, my left glute, and my left knee, my right glute, a little in my left glute and my right knee.
Right knee, not the left.
I'm sorry, left knee.
Feel a little bit. Show me where you feel it. The left knee, where do you feel it? On the side. In the hard area of the bone, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So after this session, send me the X-ray or CT scan you had, so I can take a look where they put the stuff. And rest. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Nothing in the knee, right?
No.
Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna relax the knee a little bit, keep the knee a little bit straighter than before, and this time we're gonna do a minute. Okay, perfect. That was good, because that's what I wanna see. You're not supposed to feel any pressure in the knee. Let's come back to that position again.
Okay.
Yeah, drink some water if you need to.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do that again. And rest.
Oh man, that shit burn.
How do you feel? Where do you feel it?
In my glutes and in my feet.
Both sides or?
Both, yeah.
On a scale 1 to 10, how much on both glutes?
Like an 8.
On both?
Yeah,
Excellent, man. And what about your knee?
it feel good.
Nothing in the knee, right?
Nothing.
Perfect, man. That's what I want to hear. Good. That means we're actually we don't even need the rebounder at this point. And rest.
God damn. Oh my gosh, it burned. Shit.
Torque. Good. Yeah, don't relax on the back. Don't relax your foot when keep going. Yeah. Keep it in the L shape when you do this. Good. Slowly.
Damn, my left leg shaking.
Weakness. That's weakness. Your right leg wasn't shaking before, right?
Nope.
Yep. Here we go. Because when you are in isometric fascial tensioning, it reveals a lot of weakness in the intrinsics.
That's crazy. I'm doing shaking like an earthquake.
Yeah, I can see on the. It's not extreme, but I've seen people worse than this. And rest.
Shit. Oh my God. Whew, Lord.
How do you feel?
This left leg is, you seen it shaking, man. So that left knee and that left glute was going crazy.
On a scale 1 to 10, how much do you feel?
That's a 10.
That's a 10. Okay. This already. I mean, based on the result I've seen, I think you're gonna be much stronger. You feel it, right? In your body is very different. This is, I mean, we're training a fascia. It's very different than weightlifting. You should feel very different.
Yeah, it feels crazy. Feels crazy. It burns. It burns, but it feels good. Like just to know that I'm making progress and I'm with the right person that can finally help me after so much. I just can't wait to really put it in full display.